Thanks for checking in as we take a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson, and we're keeping an eye on some severe weather concerns over the southern U.S. over the next few days. Locally heavy rainfall, also a possibility, a little bit farther north than the severe weather threat, but we're also looking at some lingering cool air here on this 9th of May. Take a look at how chilly it is from the mid-Atlantic states to the Great Lakes and also to the Northeast. Some spots as cold as 20 to 25 degrees below average, but we're warmer than average in the midsection of the nation. This is on the south side of a frontal boundary, a stalled frontal boundary, which again is going to be kicking out some showers and storms there. And then cool air of the southwest. Here temperatures again about 20 degrees below average, all because of this area of low pressure helping to bring with it some rain to Southern California earlier this week, and now some rain across parts of the desert southwest. But that same storm again will be responsible for the severe weather threat in the southern U.S. But taking a look at the highs from average on Friday, you can see that we are cooler across the central U.S. and the eastern U.S. Starting to warm up, though, next week. A good chunk of the eastern half of the country will be warmer than average next week. All right, switching gears to some severe weather. There's your marginal threat along that stalled frontal boundary. Better chance of some severe weather along the Front Range into West Texas. By Wednesday, that threat shifting a little bit farther east, and same for Thursday, but again, nosing into the Ohio Valley once again. So there's your storm system. Looking at this particular area of low pressure to very slowly shift east, and because of that slow nature with daily thunderstorm chances, the rainfall potential is looking fairly high in some locations from the Front Range again all the way to the mid-Atlantic states. But really watching this thunder threat again over the next few days. Some of these rainfall tallies could be approaching 1 to 2 inches over the central U.S., maybe some higher tallies over the mid-Atlantic states. Better chances of some snowfall again heading into the next 5 days over the high elevations out over the western U.S. But from St. Louis to Houston, it'll be into the 80s. Still cool in the Northeast. D.C. only at 66.